I've spent 17 years in the field, from working as a Navy nuke electrical operator to troubleshooting thousands of residential systems. I've seen what works, what breaks, and what's just marketing fluff. Today, we're looking at two very different ways to approach heating and cooling your home: the Allied 7HP19V and the Bosch IDS Premium BOVA-60. When you look at these two units, the first thing you'll notice is the cabinet. The Allied uses a full louvered steel panel. In the field, that's the gold standard for protection. It keeps rocks, weed whackers, and hail away from those sensitive coils. Bosch, on the other hand, uses slotted panels. While those are a step up from a basic wire grill, they still don't offer the same heavy-duty armor as a true louvered panel. Over 10 years, that extra steel on the Allied can be the difference between a system that breathes and one that's choked by bent fins. Now, let's talk about how these actually keep you warm. We measure winter performance with HSPF 2. The Allied sits at an 8.5, but the Bosch steps up to a 10.5. In real-world terms, that's a significant difference in your electric bill when the temperature drops. If you live somewhere with long, cold winters, that Bosch efficiency starts to pay for itself every single month. But efficiency is only half the story. The other half is how it feels. The Allied uses a variable speed compressor and a variable speed fan. The Bosch IDS Premium does the same thing, but it's known for a very specific type of logic that focuses heavily on dehumidification and consistent discharge air temperatures. Both of these are going to get rid of those hot and cold spots you get with older single-stage equipment. You won't have the system slamming on at 100% and then shutting off. It just sips power and maintains a steady cruise control. There's a big behind-the-scenes factor here too. Allied is a subsidiary of Lennox. It's essentially the same engineering you'd find in a flagship Lennox unit, but without the massive name brand price tag. Bosch is the giant in the room, but they manufacture this specific line in China. Allied keeps their production right here in the USA. Let's get down to the brass tacks, the cost. For just the equipment, you're looking at an average of $3,576 for the Allied versus $5,124 for the Bosch. Once you factor in a professional installation, the Allied averages around $10,845, while the Bosch jumps to about $14,462. You're paying a nearly $3,600 premium for that Bosch name and the extra efficiency. Before you pull the trigger, remember that no matter which one you pick, a dirty coil will kill your efficiency faster than anything else. A simple rinse with a garden hose once a year can keep that HSPF 2 rating actually performing like it should. On the protection side, both brands offer a standard 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty. Neither one is offering a no questions asked unit replacement if the compressor fails, so the peace of mind factor is a dead heat. It really comes down to whether that extra efficiency on the Bosch is worth the higher entry price. Winner, Allied 7HP19V. Reason, look, I love efficiency, but a $3,600 price gap is a lot of utility bills to make up. The Allied 7HP19V gives you the exact same variable speed comfort technology as the Bosch, but keeps the manufacturing in the USA and uses a much tougher louvered cabinet. You're getting flagship level Lennox engineering at a subsidiary price point. Unless you're in an area with extreme electricity costs, the Allied is the smarter investment for the average homeowner. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.